Okay, Miss Stewart?
Ms. I kept the father's last name for our son.
Oh, okay. You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
We were married, got a divorce a couple of years back. The last 6 years of our son's life, our son's 6, have been not easy, but between us, we're pretty amicable. We get along, and a lot of decisions we make together for our son. We're coming into this new decision here soon of what our son's going to go into for school and different programs.
The courtroom fell silent when Miss Stewart admitted she had kept her ex-husband's last name. It wasn't sentiment, she explained, but for their son's stability. Years had passed since their divorce, but today they were back before the judge. What seemed like a smooth co-parenting.
Our son's going to go into for school and different programs. He has been paying child support, but the dues that are going to come up with school are going to be more. And I wanted to try and get more child support, hopefully to split the difference in the cost of that.
Okay, how much is he paying you right now in child support?
$430.
Okay. And what is it that you're asking in terms of the split?
Our son's dues are going to be $1,100 for the new school.
What school is this?
It's a private school, but he's a brilliant boy.
She's asking for more, strained by one expensive request. She wanted more child support, not for herself, but to enroll their son in a private school she believed would secure his future. The tuition, over $1,100 a month.
What school is this?
It's a private school, but he's a brilliant boy, and I think we've done a great job raising him, so to put him into a school that really fits his personality and his education level, I think we agree is important for him. So.
Okay, and what do you have to say about this?
Well, you know, I kind of let her make those decisions.
In terms of the school, you're okay with the school?
In terms of the school, I'm okay. I trust her. It's actually, you know, splitting it is going to be more on the front end, but it's actually less. I looked it up, and it's 9 months.
Okay.
He admits it. The father paid $430. For many, that sounded like enough. For her, it wasn't close. This wasn't about extras. It was about opportunity. To everyone's surprise, he didn't argue against the school. In fact,
everything.
But it's actually less. I looked it up, and it's 9 months.
Okay.
At $550 will actually be less child support for me in the next year. So I'm not sure that's what she wanted to do. So I'm saying okay.
Okay. So you guys agree that you would split the $1,100? Is that what I'm understanding?
We agreed that we would split the schooling, but the trouble that we're coming into here is just the length of time. I don't want to go 3 months without having any child support, if that's what he's bringing to case.
He admitted he trusted her judgment. He believed the choice was a good one. For a rare moment, they stood united. But unity has limits, and tuition was steep. While he agreed with the idea in principle, the long-term financial...
3 months without having any child support, if that's what he's bringing to case.
Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah, if we're talking about splitting the tuition, then we're splitting $1,100 in 9 months. That's less money for the year than if I just continued to pay child support to her. I'm okay with it, so if that's her decision.
What we're disagreeing with is just the length of time. I want to at least receive the $430 for the remaining 3 months if that's what decided. I'm not sure how that works in terms of the court, but
Yeah, unfortunately it wouldn't work like that. We wouldn't be able to do it like that because then we would be sending a withholding order to your employer for 9 months.
He's fine with heavily on him. Her proposal was modest. She asked for 3 more months of the existing $430 before tuition payments fully replace support. It was a buffer, she argued, to help with expenses during...
A withholding order to your employer for 9 months, and then at the 3rd month, have to hope that it reaches them in time enough for the 3 months for it to go down. So it doesn't really work like that. So it either has to be something you guys agree on in terms of what it is, like the amount, the $550, and it will have to continue for the full year. I mean, you think about it like this. Those 3 months, there are going to be things that your son will probably need while he's with mom that she will be able to get.
Yeah.
Definitely daycare. I mean, that's
Well,
still.
I mean, I understand she has expenses, but so basically, if she decides that he's going to go to a private school,
You
can't just pause.
But he counted immediately. Switching now would actually save him money. To him, it was simple math. To her, it felt like being cut off too quickly. The judge intervened. You can't just pause child support.
Come.
if she decides that he's going to go to a private school, my child support is going to be raised 12 months a year, even though that's a 9-month decision.
Yeah, because it has to extend through the entire year. Otherwise, based on your tax returns, I can base your child support off of what it should actually be.
No, I think we're okay.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say because
What would that look like?
well, if we did it based off of your tax returns again and your W-2, you make $62,500 a year, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
He explained. Employers and legal systems don't shift instantly, and more importantly, children still need food, clothes, and supplies during those months. Support couldn't simply disappear
That
while
stuns the
parents
room.
In your W-2, you make $62,500 a year, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so health insurance, who carries health insurance?
We split it.
Okay, good. You guys, double insured. That's very good. That's very good. So if we did your gross, how much do you pay in health insurance for the child?
I pay, mine is like $60. $60 a month is all on.
Okay. So giving you credit for the $60, that'll bring your gross down. Let me see. Minus the $60, that will bring your gross to about, let's say $5,100.
Organized
Turns out-
finances. Then came the turning point. The judge requested his W-2. Tension filled the air as his income was revealed, $62,500 a year. Enough to live, but could it stretch far enough?
His new
The
payment.
judge
That will bring your gross to about, let's say $5,100, net at $4,156.64. How many children do you have
I have 2 other children.
that are under the age of 18?
Yes.
Okay, so that would be 16%. Yeah, your child support would be about $665.
Yeah, I think I'm okay with. I'm okay with the.
The 550?
The 550.
I
if
think
you are.
the
That's
550
okay.
is good too. I think it's good too. And I mean, you guys will be splitting the tuition.
ran the
Based on
numbers,
income.
factoring in his deductions and responsibilities to 2 other children. Every line of income, every credit, every detail was dissected. Then she gave the result. Under the guidelines, his child support could climb to
His insurance plan.
$665.
And I mean, you guys will be splitting the tuition, essentially.
Since your insurance is better than mine, just because of your occupation, is there something? I mean, I am all about protecting our son on both sides, but if he was to have full insurance over our son, is that something that we address here, or is that something that we address outside of court?
Oh no, you can do it on your own independently. You can go ahead and actually drop your insurance if you would like, because he at least is still covered under dad's insurance, and there would be nothing wrong with that. Okay?
So we'll discuss that after. Okay.
Okay.
She
The
wonders.
number hit hard. He hesitated, calculating in silence. She looked stunned, unsure whether relief or concern would follow. Finally, he offered a compromise, $550. Not the full guideline amount, but higher
Ruling
than before.
remains.
There would be nothing wrong with that. Okay?
So we'll discuss that after. Okay.
Okay. Is that all? You guys have anything else?
I guess, when does it take effect?
It'll take effect the 1st of each month. So
So
What-
if today's the 3rd, then it doesn't take effect until the 1st of next
until the
month.
1st of next month, yeah. Okay. All right. If there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
calm
What began
voices.
as a fight over money revealed something deeper. 2 parents still trying to do right by their child. The battle showed frustration, sacrifice, and compromise, but also glimpses of unity. The math was complicated, the emotions heavier still, but in the end, their son's needs remained the priority.